How is it going, everybody? So welcome to another beautiful live trading session for this awesome channel, guys. So as you all can see, we already have a trade running, and in the next less than 4 minutes, less than 5 minutes, I'm going to be explaining everything about this very beautiful live operation, so you can learn and also apply the same when you want to trade. As you can see, this is a very beautiful price action strategy. So on this channel, we trade only pure price action. We don't do any of this robot or indicator trading. So if you are interested in seeing videos like this, if you are interested in watching live trading operations, then go ahead and smash the like button. Also, this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in contents like this. If you're also new here, this is all we do right here on the channel. Every day we take live trade, we explain everything about live operations, so you can learn and also apply the same. So if you're interested, you want to see this kind of videos again in the future, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions coming up in the future, guys. So while we wait for the next roughly 3 minutes, it will interest you to know that in our Telegram channel, we give away over 50 signals every single day. For those of you who have no trading knowledge, those of you who are struggling, beginner traders, people who are too busy to trade, we are looking for how to, make passive income from trading the binary options market, even without any knowledge, then this is the right opportunity for you. All you have to do is join our Telegram channel, subscribe, and then you get all the signals and apply them and make passive income while we also trade. This is 100% free. We don't have to charge you anything, because as you can see, we make a lot of money from practically trading all these signals that we give out every single day, guys. So take advantage of our good humor now, and take part and start to make passive income for yourself, guys. A lot of people all over the world are currently making money from trading all these operations, and of course you too can do the same. So as you all can see, like I said, we only trade pure price action on this channel. We don't do anything about anything indicators or robot, because we believe these things do not work. So if you are interested in learning how to trade price action, then this is the channel for you. Of course, we also teach it on our mentorship program, and it is currently ongoing, guys. You can join us and of course learn price action the right way, learn trading the right way, and start to change the way you trade, change everything about your trading systems, and start to make profit from the financial market. Price action, believe it or not, is the only way to trade profitably, because indicators and robots are going to be serving as middlemen between you and the market, and they are going to be delivering information to you most times when it is too late. And remember that trading is about timing, and if your timing is wrong, then your trading is not going to be in profit. So take away all these indicators now, delete all those robots, and start to learn how to trade pure price action. Like I said, and I've always said on this channel, you don't have to learn from us. There are a lot of people who are trading binary options profitably who also offer this mentorship program as well. So you can use them, you can learn from them. It doesn't matter who you learn from. What is important is that you learn how to trade and start to change your trading. Start to make profit and start to live the life that you have always dreamed of. It is better to pay to learn than wasting all this money in the market. It is better. Now, depending on indicators and all this stuff, robot is not going to be helpful to you in the long run, even though they may work some period of time, but it doesn't work. And trading is about long term, and if your long term is not correct, then you are going to be in big losses as time goes on. So in 3, 2, 1, and here you will have it. We just won this very beautiful trade. So consider joining us today, and let's start to make money together. So that being said, let's explain why I took this very beautiful trade, of course, so you can learn and also apply the same when you decide to trade. So if you pay attention, you will see that I have drawn a lot of levels, and of course in the course of this video I'm going to be explaining why I drew all these levels, so that you can understand everything and why I have took my trade. So it is pretty simple. Let me try to get this correctly. Okay, I'll leave it here. I'll try to shrink the price. a little bit. So okay, so let's try to analyze the chart to see what is going on. If you look, you will see that this is a very strong downtrend. The price has been falling down very strongly in the last 2 hours, and this is a sign for us that we are experiencing a steady fall of the market. And of course, our trade is going to be in the direction of the sellers, which means we should be going down, right? So that being said, remember that each time we have a run, we need to have a retracement, right? So if you look, we had this strong run of the price, and of course this is a retracement. Now when price moves, it respects levels. It doesn't just move straight up. Price creates levels as it moves. It creates support and it creates resistance, and most times when a support level is broken in a downtrend, remember, in a downtrend, support levels are broken easily because sellers are weak, because sellers are strong and buyers are weak. So of course we already know that in a downtrend, support levels are supposed to be the areas where buyers are going to be strong, but in a downtrend, since they are not strong, those support levels are easily broken. And each time a support level is broken in a downtrend market, market uses it as a resistance again. That's how it works. So when we trade using price structure, these are the things that we put together. When the support level is broken, the price uses it again as resistance to move downward. So I'm going to be showing you guys a very practical example with this very beautiful setup that we have right here. So you can see that the price moved from this previous high. This was the previous high. Price created this new low, created this new lower high here. We have a breakout right here, and price fell down to create another low right here. So we had a range somewhere around here, you can see. So after we had this range, price were moving in a straight line, we had a breakout from this level. So this was a previous support level. Price respected it multiple times in the past, and price broke it and fell all the way down to create this new low, which is, as you can see, price created this new low at 0.70205. So this is the new low. So after this new low was created, we need to experience a retracement again. Retracement phases, or we'll call them the retracement phases or the rest phases of the market, because when the market runs, it needs to rest. Now the rest phases, which is also a retracement phase, is a time where buyers are going to be stepping in a little bit in the market. Since we are having a seller's market, at some point in time, buyers may be stepping in. They're not going to be doing much most of the time. They're just going to be pushing the price a little bit upward to show that they are around, but not very strong. So on the retracement phase right here, we had the buyer stepping in and moving the price all the way up, creating this. On the slower scale, we have started having series of higher highs and higher lows right here. So this is a higher high, this is a high, this is a low, these are higher highs, these are higher lows, are higher highs as well. So why do I have this level? Because I want to see when price eventually test it in the future, because I know that since this is a previous support, price is going to be using it as a resistance in the future to move downward. So you can see that price move all the way upward, use this level as resistance. As you can see, I may have also placed a trade here if I wanted, because I had all the weaknesses I needed. As buyers moved the price all the way upward, you know, sellers stepped in and showed their strength right here, and you can see that we had a strong seller's entry on this candle and the price fell down, as you can see. Again, this is one way to actually trade when you see price in resistance, when we are having a strong uptrend, a strong downtrend. Each time price comes to a resistance level, we can wait for weaknesses, and then we can wait for a strong seller's entry to enter trade. And that's why how we trade in resistance level when we are having a strong uptrend, a strong downtrend in some market scenario. Again, we can also trade if we have breakout on the lower scale, which means we can identify the retracement phases if we're having a minor uptrend. Remember, if we are having retracement phases, we are either going to be having minor downtrend, or we are going to be having we are going to be having a minor uptrend in a downtrend overall. We are going to be having a minor uptrend or a range, which means price may be moving in a straight line. In this market, you can see that what we have right here is a minor uptrend. In most cases as well, we also trade like this. We have videos like this all over on the channel as well. We can draw a support trend line, drawing out all the higher lows together. And of course, when we have a breakout, we are going to be trading like when we had this very breakout, as you can see. So this was a strong breakout in direction of the major trend, which is downtrend. And most times we also trade like this again. But how we traded with this strategy, with this opportunity, was different. What we did was we didn't trade the breakout. What we did, we traded the retest of that breakout. How do you trade the retest of each of the breakout that you are going to be having? Now, when price breaks, it uses the previous resistance or previous support to move downward again. So when we had this break, price rose again to test this previous resistance, as you can see. So what I did when price broke, I knew that there's going to be a retest of some of the levels right here. So paying attention, I found that the obvious level I can find is this previous resistance level because it was tested more than twice in the past, and I can expect the price to come back to that level. And of course, I am not going to be entering the trade immediately because I have a retest, or I'm going to be using some other conferences to check, which means I'm going to be checking for weaknesses, and I'm going to be checking if sellers are in on the market. So this is a candle that gave me the confirmation I needed, because when the price reversed to this level, this was the strong buyers move, you can see. So when buyers tested this level, sellers took over and closed the market way below where it opened. So that is a sign that sellers are in, because you can see the weaknesses are very strong above this very candle. So I took my trade here, and of course we have a strong, a very important level, which is a resistance in the past. We had the very strong candle as well, which has also now signaled to us that sellers are strong, and I placed my trade. And of course, we've seen that we ended up in profit. This is everything about this very trading setup. I'm not saying that this works 100%, but if you practice, you're going to be making progress, because I can assure you that this works over 85 to 90% of the time. Trading is not about being perfect. Trading is about being excellent. So make sure you are practicing and learning and experimenting. And of course, you are going to be finding a strategy that suits you. That being said, give this video a like if you find value here, and make sure you are joining our Telegram channel. Of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions that are going to be coming up in the future. Make sure you are also hitting that bell icon so you don't miss out. There are a lot of videos on the channel you want to watch, so make sure you are checking and watching, and of course, make sure you are practicing. So I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.